unconditionally, loving them fully. From the time they swell in your belly to the time you prepare them peanut butter and jelly, you love them unconditionally. From the time they crawl across the kitchen floor, carefully finding things to explore, as you encourage them, always remembering to reassure. You jump and scream as they make their first toes. It is them you adore, counting fingers and toes, watching as they quickly grow, from the first raindrop to their first taste of snow, as they smile, as they see their first rainbow. Your voice is the first voice they know. As they climb up the stairs of the slide, sitting across from in the park, you watch with pride, always to comfort, always there to guide, to hold their back as they take their first ride. You teach them how to obey. Thank you is what you tell them to say, and speak polite, never to fight, and always do what is right. So you love them unconditionally, often with no rationality, despite their personality, but with endless possibilities, with all life's responsibilities. On the swings they play, quietly sitting and listening to them play. You love them more in each passing day. At night when they sleep, you stay awake and pray that they are safe throughout their day. And you can't see it any other way. You love them till your dying day. You promise them that things will always be okay. You teach them how to submit and pray. On graduation, you show them your appreciation for growing into their expectations, future leaders of the next generation, fulfilling their obligations. You are their inspiration. And as they walk down the aisle, you sneak them a smile. You congratulate them on their first child. And now you know how happy it will be to tell them they'll love their child.